Hello, dear students. Good morning to all of you. It is very interesting that you are also added in the group of YouTube channel for online classes. It's very interesting, and I think you will enjoy it. So be careful that we all have our queries, problems, everything you can write in the comment box to know your answer of the questions. Okay? Hello class 8. Again I say I am going to take your class in the parts of speech. Parts of speech. Okay, parts of speech, and there are so many parts like noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, prepositions, conjunction, and interjections. Okay, so be ready and careful. There are some important topic in your parts of speech in grammar section. Now today I am here to discuss with you about the letter minus. Okay. So we start our topic. Letter minus includes article, okay, article and quantifiers, number and both. Okay. Again, article divided into two parts. Article divided into two parts. Number one, definite article. Okay, definite article and indefinite article. Okay, definite article and indefinite article. And we also study quantifiers, numbers, and for both quantifiers and numbers. For example, quantifiers you can use much. Okay. For numbers, many. For both, some. Okay. So, but here we shall discuss on article after we shall go to the next topic, quantifiers, numbers and both. So, definite article includes the, okay, the, and indefinite articles include a or and. I think you have written it, and we shall resume the definite article and indefinite article. Okay. See. See. A or and depends on the sound. Depends on the sound. So it is indefinite. So it is and definite. Okay. While number one and number two, it use only in singular. Okay, it's used only in singular. So it is indefinite. But when you talk about the definite article, the, okay, the used for both singular and plural. Okay, definite article used for both singular and plural. So it is definite. Number two, it does not require any sound. It does not depend on. 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 It does not depend on any sound. So it is definite article. You go through the definite article and indefinite article. In both articles, these two are used separately for different things. It is depend on the sound, so we take a or an as per the requirement of the sentence or as per the requirement of the first letter of the noun to tell its number. Is used only in singular. Okay? So it is indefinite, and it is definite. Why? Because used for both singular and plural commonly. So it is definite, and it does not depend on any sound. So it is definite article. Okay. Now we discuss where to use the. Okay. Where we shall use the before any noun. Dear students, why we use a? It is the question. Why we use article before any noun. So the answer is to tell their number. The answer is to tell their number. To tell their number. What means to tell their number? Whether it is singular or plural, or whether it has some materials like materials are found in liquid form and we cannot count them. So we use for them quantifiers like much, more, and some, few, little, the, anything else. So little, much, more, some, and are used in quantifiers. Okay. One, all, either, or, neither, nor, either, neither, one, two, only, all, few are used in numbers, and for both that is same for the quantifiers and for the numbers, that is sum, any. Okay, these are used commonly in both. So let's we discuss first the definite article. That is the definite article. Definite article the used before the name of any big city, country, newspaper, books, author, writer, before the name of any, before the name of any holy book like Gita, Bhagavad, Puran, before the name of any sacred river like Ganga, Jamuna, like Ganga, okay, before the name of any popular personality and before the name of any popular place, you can use the word the definite article you can use here. Before the name of the mountain ranges, hills and plateaus, you can also use the if it is popular, like the Himalaya, the Sivalik, the Karakoram. And in this day, for any bay, the Bay of Bengal, okay, for any valley, okay, for any ocean, or any continent. So these are the most important things where we can use the. In the same way, just 30 to 40 seconds, you watch this video and go through the A and N also. A used before consonant. Okay. The number should be 1 and used for the vowel words, vowels. Okay. And number should be 1. It depends on the sound. Okay. So whenever you have example boy, it means a boy. It means an apple means what you have to see there. You have to see there the first letter of the noun and the first letter of the noun in both. So B is the first letter of the boy and it is consonant letter. So we used A and the first letter of apple is A. So we have used here N. So in this way you have to go through it and find the solution. Make some more exercises in the grammar. Comment me, like the video, and whatever you have your queries, go through it and get it. Thank you for the day.